Welcome back to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a vacuum tool used to pick up large sheets, countertops. We've got our 2-cup tool mounted on spreaders. These can be adjusted in and out. This is mounted to our torque lift. For our vertical control, our torque lift is mounted to a single point trolley. I'll go ahead and show you how this works. You lower the tool down in place, turn the vacuum on. Check your gauge, make sure you have over 18 inches of mercury before you lift. Now the vacuum is disabled on its own. You will need to pull the common trigger in and the vacuum off at the same time. We have a 90-degree tilt. One press of the rocker switch will get your 90 degrees. We've got our 359 degrees of wrist swivel rotation. And of course, you can easily move this horizontally and vertically along the bridge crane. Alright, to set the part back down, tilt back into place, lower the part down, pull the common trigger in and hold the vacuum off button. That will release air, blow off air through the cups to help release the cups. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomanufacturing.com for more product videos. Hi Isabel, thanks for watching.